Hi, what's up you guys? Welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to have our weekend vlog. So I just got back into vlogging. I've been busy for a while and yeah, let's do this guys. So yun guys, we're done cleaning the house. So right now, get ready with me as we are going to meet our client for the very first time. We have voice lessons today. So after that, we're going to Regina to do our errands, which is grocery shopping. So yeah, get ready with me guys. Let's go. So yun guys, here's our fit check for today. So very simple lang. This jacket since it's the winter. So this one is Columbia. We bought this in the Philippines kasi medyo unique ang kulay niya. Walang ganito ditong color. So ayan. Pero hindi pa naman tayo alis kasi we're going to meet our client for the voice lesson today. So, antayin muna natin siya, guys. Hi, guys. So, we are just done with our first client. Ayun, masaya naman. Sobrang saya. Nakakabalik ko lang sa pagtuturo ulit. Although, medyo masakit yung kamay ko sa pag-vocalize namin earlier. I'm just gonna transfer some files, some videos na I took this morning and for this vlog as well. I'm trying to shoot a video and isend agad sa laptop para mabilis lang yung pag-edit. Hello!
Hi!
So yun guys, we just stopped for a bit, get some gas, and in-inflate lang ng konti ni Angel yung wheels. How's your day? Kamusta araw mo? Sa work? Busy kayo?
Quiet naman siya today since marami mga visitors.
Hi guys! So ayun, dito na kami sa Regina ngayon.
Hello!
Time check, it's 6:30 ng gabi. So, to this point, maliwanag pa rin. So, ibig sabihin, malapit na magsamo. Charot. Spring pa lang. Mag-spring na. Malapit na. So, yeah. Usually, mahaba ang gabi pag winter. So, ayun. 6 p.m. na maliwanag pa rin. So, nakaka-happy lang. So, yun guys.
Hi guys! Dito na kami sa Superstore sa Regina. Dito kami usually pumupunta every 2 weeks para sa aming grocery errands. Yan, grocery errands namin ngayon. So, papakita namin sa inyo yung mga, ano mamaya, mga sale and mga, ano ba?
Bagong products,
Bagong
ganun.
products sa
Mga,
grocery.
Oh, yung mga new finds, kanyan, bigla na lang. So, yan guys, see you.
Samahan nyo kami.
So yun guys, pag nakakita kayo ng ganito, mga ganito sale yan. Yung mga yellow tag na ganyan. So may mga pambatang ganito, ang cute. Iba-iba kulay, ganyan. Ito mga pang Asian ata na nilalagay sa buhok. Eh, naka-sale din siya guys. $12, ganyan. Pero ito yung ginagamit namin. Nakaganda talaga ng buhok. Fino from Japan. Yan, conditioner, hindi sale. So ito guys yung section nila ng mga shampoo, ang dami. Iba-iba yung klase ng shampoo, conditioner, ganyan. 99 cents lang yung mga gantong toothpaste. Pwede na ipapabox. Ayan. Ito guys, mga pambata. Mga snacks nila. Ayan. Ang daming options. From super healthy, semi-healthy. Kasi ito, ano ba nga ito? Yung mga parang, yung sa atin kasi Gerber. Dito iba, Gerber din, pero maraming options talaga.
Nakapack na, no?
Iba-iba flavor. Sa atin parang, naalala ko apple,
Maraming.
banana, ganun. Ayun, ang daming flavor, iba-iba klase guys. Merong banana kiwi, may potato pa, sweet potato, pear apple, broccoli. May mga pang pa-healthy talaga. And sa kabilang side naman, mga gamit din ng baby. Yan. Itong gaganda be, aesthetic lahat. 350 lang. Ang ganda. So ito, yung mga pagkain ng pusa. Para kay Luna. So bilan namin siya ng food niya. Dati binibili namin malaki. Pero ngayon, maliit na lang kasi hindi na siya crunchy. Wag matagal. Ito siguro yung orange.
Ito?
Ano ba yan? Ayun, no? May gravy.
Ito isa chicken beef tuna, 30 isang.
So, sa
Fish
kanya yan.
and egg or chicken beef, carrots, green beef. Maluna.
Mga vegan options nila, guys. So, iba-ibang klase. Dito na kami sa mga chicken. Hi guys! So we're done doing our grocery shopping. So time check today. Tonight na pala.
8:07.
8:07 na ng gabi. So we did our shopping for 1.5 hour? 1 hour. Mga ganun.
Almost 2 hours.
So now we're ready for our date, our dinner date. Ayun, we are here outside Montana. So we are going to have our dinner there. See you! So, ito yung ngayon guys, yung kanilang menu.
Here's our food. I got the buttermilk chicken. And she got the honking beef, our favorite. Okay, so we're gonna eat now. So labig. Hey guys, so that's it for this day. Nakuha na namin kung ano yung mga kailangan namin sa grocery and done na rin yung aming dinner date. So, ayan, nanginginig ako kasi sobrang lamig. Ano bang weather ngayon? So, it's negative 18, probably feels like negative 20 or 30 plus yan. So, sobrang lamig. Hi, good morning guys. Today is Sunday and right now it's around 11:30. So Angel took off to go to work and we are here at house to do some haul ng mga binili natin last night. So we're gonna start with our frozen meats. We bought this pompano. So have shrimps para sa mga pasta. Is the lean ground beef, grass-fed, yan, wanted to try this TNT's shrimp and fish shumai dumplings. Frozen veggies, we bought Bangkok style vegetable blend and corn, whole kernel corn, yan, so both frozen para hindi agad masira. We have a fruit platter with cream cheese. So yun guys, sinaseparate lang namin sila sa lagayan para pambaon. And speaking of pambaon, also have sigis, banana high protein here. We usually buy yung malaki, but we wanted to try this flavored sigis, although mayroon siyang sugar, pero yeah, we wanted to give it a try. For myself, iced coffee Starbucks, which is my favorite. So, pag mabilisan lang, usually naman nung coffee namin is yung decaf na ili. So, medyo nagmahal na rin siya. Na-interest din kami, pero natikman na namin to last time. Filipino snack piatos. So, we really like this. Ito hindi to nawawala sa grocery list namin. This banana milk, which is Angel bought me last time. Sobra ko na-enjoy. You can put it with your iced coffee, katulad na minili ng Starbucks. Or just the banana milk itself. It's good. Banana ketchup for our pasta. Apples, Fuji. And oranges. And for our juice. So, yeah, papakita ko na lang dito yung ating picture ng juice and yung mga vegetables na ginamit natin. We use basmati rice, which is yung ganito, typically, it will last mga siguro 2 weeks or 3 weeks corned beef. So, I really like this and tagal na rin yung last time na kumain kami nito. Extract na hindi pwede mawala para kay Angel na mahilig sa mga sausawan. Milk na nilabas. So, ito nga yung isa namin na try last time na kakabili lang din namin. Yung creamy. So, mas creamier siya. Ano creamy? Extra creamy. So, yan. Ito yung color niya. So, usually have yung color gray lang, yung regular nilang Oatly. But now, marami na silang colors. And then, ito yung original package. Sabi the original. Ayan. And another caught our attention is the Oatly matcha oat drink. So, we wanted to try this one and see. Syempre, hindi naman siya yung parang premium matcha. Pero, syempre, pag may mga bago gusto natin i-try. So, yun lang naman guys. Ito na yung ating haul for our grocery for today.